My team learned a very important lesson in n8n where one of our workflows was broken for 3 days and we had no idea. Luckily, it wasn't anything that was costing us money, but this video is vital if you need to have your eyes on your workflow health. So my tech guy, Graham's going to show you now how to set up error notifications in n8n. Super easy.
Hey guys, as Dan said, this is quite an important one. It's quite a basic tutorial today, but it is very important that you have this set up for all of your n8n workflows because you want to know if they start erroring for whatever reason. We didn't have it on stupidly and we went 3 days and there was just constantly throwing errors. We would have found out a lot earlier if we'd had this in place, so a bit of a rookie move for us. So we go over to my laptop, I'll show you how we get it done. So you're in your n8n, first things first, you want to go and create a workflow and you want to call it error notification. Oh, wrong one. Error notification. I'm just going to tag it as demo, but you can do whatever you want to tag it as. And then the first step is adding a trigger, which is error trigger. And that's that. And you just want to just do test trigger. It will put in a few bits of data. And then now you want to select where you're going to get this notification. So you can have it sent to your Gmail, to Slack, to a Slack channel, to Telegram. Now I get mine sent to my Telegram account because that's all I really use my Telegram for, is to get all these error notifications through for my n8n workflows. So this is how I would set it up in Telegram. Okay, so we want to go and find send a text message. Now I've already got these bots built, but if you want to build a Telegram bot, you will set up an account on Telegram, and then what you want to go and do is you want to search for the user BotFather. Let me just search it now. And then what you want to go and do is you want to put in the execution, which is /new bot, all one word, so new bot. And then it will ask you what we're going to call it. So you want to call it a bit like mine. So mine's called the Graham's n8n error bot. Then it will ask you for a username for the bot. So I'll just call it the same thing. Then it has to have underscores, but by the way, the username, it will tell you that anyway. And it needs to end in bot as well. Then once that's happened, it basically says, yep, all good, and then gives you a token that you can use that you then put into the credentials. So we'll use this API token, and then you can just set it up and you can connect to your bot like that. So I'm going to select that bot. It's going to be a message like this. It's going to be a send message, chat ID. Then you have to go and find your chat ID. So let's go and search for another bot, which is going to tell us our name. So it's UserInfoBot. This one here. Start, and that's when it tells you. That's what it's going to show you. And you can see your ID underneath your username, so that's perfect. So I'm just going to type mine in. Perfect. And then the text you want to do, you want to make sure it's selected on expression. And then I'm just going to paste in what I've got in my error thing right now. So we want to open this up. So as you can see, you're pulling all of the data from here. So you'll want the workflow name, which is down here. It's just to show you how it's done. Pull in the name like so. Time, you just want to just type this in now, or you can go to variables and context and it will have now or today, well, one of the two. The workflow URL, which is here, execution URL. So you can just add that one in. And we would want to just pop this in here. Error message, so that's going to be this one here, so you can pull that one in. And then node with error, last executed node with error is this one here. And that's basically how you will build this error workflow. You'll then want to go and publish it. Cool. And now what we want to go and do is we want to go back to where we were. And let's go to a demo. So let's go to this one here. Now to add this, to make sure that you actually get the error notifications, you want to select where it says here, like something out of 4, set up error notifications for this workflow. And for this one, you want to make sure that it's where it says error workflow, notify when this one errors. You'll select the one you just created, and you should just have one. And you just press save, and that's all good. So now whenever that workflow errors, it's going to send, it's going to start that workflow, and then you're going to get sent whenever it errors to your Telegram, or however you want to use it, Slack, Gmail, however. And that's going to protect you from missing crucial issues within your automations. So do make sure you set this up. It is vital for the health of your automations. But it's pretty simple, as you can see. So hopefully that's helped, guys. If you do have any questions, do pop some comments below and I'll get back to you. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Okay, thanks, Graham. So Graham's always hanging out in our free school community. It's called the AI Automation Agency Ninjas. There'll be a link below in the description box. Come hassle him. He'll help you. Speak soon.